11. Structural organization in animals. Part 3. Connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Adipose tissue located mainly beneath the skin. The cells this tissue are specialized to store fats. Fibers and fibroblasts are compactly packed in the dense connective tissue. Tendons which attach skeletal muscles to a bones and ligaments which attach one cartilage, bones and bloods are various types of specialized connective tissue. Cartilage is solid and pliable and resist compression. Bone have a hard and non-pliable ground substance rich in calcium salts and collagen fibers which give bone its strength. Is a fluid connective tissue containing plasma, red blood cells RBC, white blood cells WBC and platelets. It is the main circulating fluid that helps in the transport of various substances. Muscle tissue. Muscles are three types of skeleton: smooth and cardiac. Skeletal muscle tissue is closely attached to a skeleton bones. Striped muscles, voluntary muscles in animals. Part 4. Click here on the link below. Visit my channel playlist. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.